G'day everyone, just a quick intro for this video. I'm going to change the lights on my Navara NP300. I'm going to change out the standard brake lights and reverse lights for some LED lights from Stedi. I'll put a couple little photos of the what the package looks like, what the products look like up, and then I'm going to get stuck into it. All right, I'm just going to film a quick video of what it looks like to change out the LED bulbs for the standard bulbs in the reverse light and in the brake light. Just first a couple of 10mm bolts to undo the light assembly, and then it should just pop straight out. Try not to drop the bolts when you do that. So I've got the little package here from Stedi, and I'll pop out this light. And once you've taken the bolts out, it should just pop out. And then we'll take a look in here to the two lights that we're going to change. I've got the little parts here. First I'll do the reverse light. Reverse light's the 1000 lumen jobby. Way more light when you put it in reverse. You notice a single point of contact at the bottom of that bulb. The reverse light, the 1000 lumen unit from Stedi, has the same thing. Just goes into the same spot as the bulb. We close that off and plug it in to where we pulled out the base unit that held the bulb. I'm also putting a cable tie just around the wiring so that it doesn't rattle too much inside, because the base that holds the bulb is now loose because it's holding the connector for the LED. So I'll just put that in there. Snip it off. Bulb. I'm going to take out the LED for the brake light. You notice the brake light has two little connectors on the bottom. That's the blinker. That's the middle one. The brake light's the top one. Same two connection points on the bottom. Plug in the LED and twist the base back in. Righto, that's it. Now we just plug it back in. The same little connectors. Line them up. Easier said than done. It's easier on the other side. There we go. And we'll put the two 10mm bolts back in. My little helper to put the old bulbs away. Impact driver back onto tighten. And now we're done. I'll get a couple of shots and a little video of what it looks like with the new LEDs in there. Plenty of light coming off the back in reverse now. It's going to be great. All right, put off the brake, Foot back on the brake. Keep your foot on the brake and into reverse. Wow, so bright. Way more light comes off this than standard. I was thinking about installing some rear lights to go as reverse lights, but these will do the job brilliantly. Thanks, Stedi. Loving it. I changed the left-hand side lights first. I didn't film that, I just filmed the right-hand side. But I got a little video of the LEDs on the left and the standard lights on the right, so I'll show you that now too. All right, it's just a little video of the LED light on the left and the standard light on the right. So I'll come down closer and we can see exactly how much brighter that new LED light is. You can see how much light we're actually getting off the back of the car now.